Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Good Morning Mechanic, where we turn wrenches and tackle challenges together. I'm Dan, your guide through the world of DIY automotive repairs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this is the place to rev up your skills and share your knowledge. Hit subscribe, join the Good Morning Mechanic team, and let's get our hands dirty. Hey, good morning, everybody. Thanks for tuning back in. Look how beautiful it is. It's like 70 degrees and it's February and it's like unheard of. But I wanted to say 500 of you have decided to subscribe to my channel. So as promised, we are doing the 500 subscriber tool giveaway. Check out what we got for you. This is pretty cool. All right, so this is pretty sweet. So not only do we have a set of medium duty Rhino USA ratchet tie downs. These things are awesome. Can I open it? Yes. Look at that. These are brand new, never been used. Super. Rhino USA is like a really good company when it comes to fasteners and tie downs. And this box is gonna be all yours. As long as you win. There we go. And then that DeWalt tool set that I showed you guys. That I promised this was going, and I added this to it because I don't know, I just thought these were super cool and like to give a set away. So this is perfect. This little DeWalt tool set is perfect for your quick trips, perfect for your throwing in your car, set it and forget it type stuff. And this Rhino straps are perfect for your Home Depot trips. Yeah, so it's a good little tool set to just throw in the back of your car, back of your truck, and forget about it. So the rules are super simple to this giveaway, and it's kind of like the last one. So the last one we did on YouTube only. This time we're doing it on Instagram. So you have to have an Instagram. So first thing you want to do is you have to be a subscriber to YouTube, and you got to follow me on Instagram. All right, so that's rule number one. Super easy. The second thing you have to do is tag 3 people on Instagram. Just hit app, type in their name, tag 3 people on Instagram, and also leave your YouTube handle so I can verify that you are a subscriber. That's it. I'll do the selection off Instagram, and yeah, that's all you gotta do. You just be a subscriber, be a follower, tag 3 people on Instagram, and that's it. I'll reach out. I'll send a private DM to the person that is selected to win, and you'll have to give me your address and trust me that I'm not a weirdo. I'm a little weird, but I'm not gonna mail you a bomb. It's mailing you some tools. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks you guys for being a part of this channel. Super excited to have this giveaway. We're gonna run it until the end of February. So the end of February, the 1st of March is the last. It's too late, 1st of March. So it's up until the end of February. Last day of February, we're gonna do the drawing. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good morning.